Difference between insure, and assure. Insure, and assure may sound similar, but they have different meanings and uses in English. Insure is used when talking about financial protection, typically with insurance policies. For example, I insured my car against theft. It involves a contract to cover loss or damage, usually with an insurance company. Insure means to make certain that something happens or is done. It's about guaranteeing a result. For example, please ensure the door is locked. It's commonly used in formal writing and instructions. Assure is used to comfort or give confidence to someone. It deals with emotional reassurance. For example, I assure you, everything will be fine. It's about making someone feel confident or less worried. Insure is protect financially. Insurance, insure is make sure something happens, and assure is remove doubt or give confidence. Even though they sound alike, their usage depends on the context, money, certainty, or comfort. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.